Yun, good evening guys. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa PT practice. So last time nag-upload ako ng reading. Reading yun eh. So ngayon dito naman tayo sa listening. So dito sa listening guys ay mayroon mga pagpipilian. The single answer, multiple answers, right from dictation, high correct summary, so highlight incorrect words, fill in the blanks, summarize spoken text, and also select missing words. So under ng listening yun po yung mga naka-line sa kanya. So pipiliin natin yung single answer. Next time na tayo sa writing kasi medyo mahirap to eh. So dito tayo, once na i-click natin to single answer, right? So ito yung single answer. Ito yung mga pagpipilian. So try natin to. Yan. So once na maklik, meron kang 1 minute time limit. So pag click ko kanina, nag-start agad siya. Takbo agad seconds. So ang instruction dito ay listen to the recording and answer the multiple choice question by selecting the correct response. Only one response is correct. So kasi napili natin yung single answer. So ayan, try natin to ha. So mayroon dito play. Play lang natin yan. Kailangan pakinggan mo yung record. Okay. Play.
Natural diamonds are made from the element carbon deep within the Earth's crust. Some are created at depths of about 180 kilometers below the Earth's surface, while others are made at depths of 300 to 400 kilometers. The rarest diamonds are pink and others are blue, amber, emerald or violet. Natural diamonds are the world's hardest known substance. It is estimated that the world's known supplies of diamonds will be depleted within 30 to 50 years. About 80% of all mined diamonds are used for industrial applications like drilling, milling, and sawing. The rest are used for jewelry or investing. Less than 2% of the diamonds mined are of such fine quality they can be considered investment quality.
So ayan po yung question niya or pinag-uusapan. Bali, pipili ka ngayon dito sa what is the talk primary about? So yung sinabi kanina sa record. So, pipili ka dito ngayon single answer only. So ayan. Maganda dito kung magaling ka tsumimpo sa multiple choice or talagang dapat pakinggan mo maayos yung pinagsasabi kanina ng record. Alright? So kanina pagka-intindi ko ay siya, yung diamond, paano siya minina or pinasis. Kumbaga, paano siya dinevelop or pinorma. So ito yung choices. The dwindling supply of diamonds in the world today. So the second is the depths of the earth crust where diamonds are formed. So pwede rin yan. The third one, the formations and utilizations of diamonds. So diamonds of all colors are good financial investment. So ayan. Medyo nakakalito rin kung hindi ka nakinig ng maayos sa record. Ay dwindling supply of diamond in the world today. So hindi naman yan eh. The depths of the earth crust where diamonds are formed. Yan. So ito, formation and utilizations of diamonds. So pinorma siya at bininta sa market paano yan? Pwede rin yan. Tapos diamonds of all colors are good financial investment. Alright. So, ito piliin ko. Try ko to. Formation and utilizing diamonds. Okay, and then submit. O, ayan. Correct. Tama rin, Chamba. Ayan. Kasi, formation kasi ng diamond ng ang sa bininta sa market. Ayan, correct. So, next na tayo. Next question. Pakinggan ulit natin, guys.
The decline of insect populations due to climate change, habitat destruction, and pesticides is causing increasing concern. However, scientists have identified another factor contributing to this decline: artificial street lights. Butterfly conservation researchers conducted a study where they observed caterpillars on well-lit roadsides. In comparison to similar unlit areas, the number of caterpillars was reduced by half, indicating that street lights can have an impact on insect abundance, at least on a local level. In light of this, the scientists emphasized the need to take action to minimize negative influences on insects. Practical solutions include reducing the brightness of street lights during early hours, installing motion sensors, or utilizing color filters to modify the light.
So, ayan. According to speaker, what are findings of research regarding insect population near street lights? So, ayan. So, the number of insects doubles near the street lights. So, the second, most insects are killed by street lights. So, hindi po yan. Insect population drops 50% near street light. Street lights have no impact on insects. Yeah. I think, ito sagot ko. The number of insects doubles near the street light. Kasi pag may ilaw, dumadami yung insekto Try ko to Okay. And then submit. Oh, mali tayo. Ang sagot pala insect population drops 50% near street light. So, bababa siya ng 50% pala dapat. Near street lights. So, yan po yung tamang sagot. Yan, so mali tayo. Mali yung pinili ko, guys. Okay. So, yan, sa review na to, malalaman mo yung sagot. Pwede mong i-reload. Yun na po yung sagot niya. Okay, next tayo. Yan po yung single answer. Okay, last.
Buying a new, pre-owned or used car from a franchise dealer is a good choice for anyone looking for the best deals on certain makes. Only certified dealers can give you the best solution. This is because the manufacturer has approved their dealership and certified the service technicians to maintain their standards. Even if you are purchasing a certified pre-owned vehicle from a franchise dealer, you can rest assured it has gone through a rigorous inspection process according to the manufacturer's standards to make sure the vehicle is in prime working order. They will also help you to evaluate the exact resale value of the car at the time period you wish to sell.
So, yan po yung record. So, ito po yung question. Which of the following is true about franchise car dealers? So, base dun sa narinig natin, pwede rin natin i-review to Restart audio.
Buying a new, pre-owned or used car from a franchise dealer is a good choice for anyone looking for the best deals on certain makes. Only certified dealers can give you the best solution. This is because the manufacturer has approved their dealership and certified the service technicians to maintain their standards. Even if you are purchasing a certified pre-owned vehicle from a franchise dealer, you can rest assured it has gone through a rigorous inspection process according to the manufacturer's standards to make sure the vehicle is in prime working order. They will also help you to evaluate the exact resale value of the car at the time period you wish to sell.
So, ito. Pili na tayo. No matter what kind of car you are looking for, they offer the best deals. So, ayan. Ito, pangalawang choices. Approval and certification by car makers enable them to uphold high standards. So, the third one, their strengthened inspection procedures guarantee all cars are in tip-top conditions. Their service and standards are better than other car dealers. No matter what kind of car you are looking for, they offer the best deals. So, ayan. Ito nga, try ko to Ayan. Okay. Submit. Okay, correct tayo. Tsaka Chambaw. Ayan. Kaya ako pinili to kasi may nabasa akong certification. Basta regarding sa mga car, kailangan may approval and certification. Yan, okay? So, tama rin. Pwede na tayo next. Okay, that's it. So, for next video naman ay pipiliin natin guys yung Actually, marami pa tong question pero alas 9 na matutulog na. Yan, okay? So, tapos na tayo sa listening. Single answer. So, next video ay multiple answer naman po guys. Okay, that's it for today. God bless.